let's discuss second part in question number 8. Here we have to prove that AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Here construction is join OA, OB, OC. Okay, here we get 6 right angle triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we get 6 right angle triangles. Okay, here consider the triangle AFO. Consider triangle. From triangle AFO, angle AFO equal to 90 degrees. Okay, AFO equal to 90 degrees. Apply Pythagoras theorem. OA square equal to AF square plus OF square. Next, triangle 1 from triangle AEO. Here angle AEO equal to 90 degrees. So applying Pythagoras theorem, AE square equal to OA square equal to OE square plus AE square. OA square equal to OE square plus AE square. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, equation number 3, triangle 3 from triangle BOF or BFO, angle BFO equal to 90 degrees. Apply Pythagoras theorem. BF square plus OF square equal to BF square plus OF square equal to OB square. Let this is equation number 1, 2, this is 3. Next, equation from triangle 4 BDO, angle BDO equal to 90 degrees. Apply Pythagoras theorem. OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. Let this is equation number 4. Next, triangle 5 from triangle CDO, angle CDO equal to 90 degrees. So apply Pythagoras theorem. OC square equal to CD square plus OD square. This is equation 5. From triangle CEO, angle CEO equal to 90 degrees. Apply Pythagoras theorem. CE square plus OE square equal to OC square. OC square equal to CE square plus OE square. Okay, let this is equation number 6. Here we need to prove AB square, AF square BD square CE square. Okay, so adding 1, 4, 6. Okay, add 1, 4, 6. Okay, equation 1 OA square, equation 4 OB square plus equation number 6 OC square equal to See, AF square plus AF square plus OF square. Equation number 4, B square equal to OD square plus BD square. Equation number 6, OC square equal to CE square plus OE square. Okay. See, AF square BD square plus CE square. So write AF BD CE terms together. Okay. AF BD CE. Write these three terms on one side. Okay. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OF square, right? Comes to this side, minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square. Okay. Here we need to prove AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. AE equal to OA square minus OE square. From equation 2, AE square equal to OA square minus OE square. From equation number 2, OA square equal to OE square plus AE square. Okay. Here we want AE square. So AE square equal to OA square minus OE square. OA square minus OE square equal to AE square. Okay. OA square minus OE square. Right. Instead of OA square minus OE square, we can write AE square. Okay. Plus next term we want CD square. See, equation number 5, CD square equal to OC square minus OD square. Okay, OC square minus OD square. We can write CD square. From equation number 5, OC square equal to CD square plus OD square. Here we want CD square term. So, OC square minus OD square equal to CD square. Okay, instead of OC square minus OD square, we can write CD square. Remaining OB square minus OF square. See equation number 3. OB square minus OF square equal to BF square. From equation number 3, OB square equal to BF square plus OC square. Sorry, OF square. This is equation number 3. So here we want BF square. BF square equal to OB square minus OF square. Okay. OB square minus OF square equal to BF square, which is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay. Therefore, here we get the equation AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay. See second part. Both are same. Hence, proved.